From N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 63. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern. なかなかない。なかなかない is used when something does not happen easily or as quickly as expected. It often expresses that the speaker has tried or waited, but the expected result has still not happened. So this means not easily, have difficulty doing, just won't happen. Grammar format is this: なかなか plus verbs, but the verb has to be in the negative form. I will show you a few example sentences. First, I can't fall asleep easily at night. 夜なかなか寝られません。This means I try to sleep but I have difficulty falling asleep. Therefore, なかなか plus the negative form 寝られません。Another one. The bus still hasn't arrived. バスがなかなか来ません。なかなか plus the negative form. This means I expected the bus to arrive, but I have been waiting for a long time. It's taking time. I'm waiting, but the bus hasn't come. Bus is not coming as I expected. So, important nuance. なかなかない often implies the speaker has tried to do something. The speaker expected something to happen. The result has not happened yet. One more example. I'm not improving at Japanese as quickly as I hoped is this. 日本語がなかなか上手になりません。なかなか plus the negative form. So now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. I can't find a good apartment easily. いいアパートがなかなか見つかりません。なかなか plus the negative form.You are looking for an apartment, but it's not easy to find a good one. It's taking time. Second one, my cold is not getting better. 風邪がなかなか治りません。なかなか plus the negative form. So, the cold has not been better as you expected. You thought,The cold will get better soon, but it's taking time than expected. Last one, the medicine isn't working easily. 薬がなかなか効きません。なかなか plus the negative form. It's not working easily as you expected. So なかなか plus the negative form means,It takes time or it's not working as you expected. Then you can use なかなか plus the negative form. So now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. いいアパートがなかなか見つかりません。風邪がなかなか治りません。薬がなかなか効きません。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。